Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a look at QQQ and how recent news and events are affecting this major tech index. As we can see from the daily chart, the QQQ recently hit record highs on December 2nd, 2024, according to several major financial news outlets such as Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, and Barron's. This surge can be attributed to a significant rally in major tech stocks, a trend that is clearly visible in the daily candlestick data. Let's zoom in on the past week's action to further analyze the price movement. Notice the consistent upward trend, with each day closing higher than the previous. We see green candles dominating, demonstrating sustained buying pressure and strong market sentiment. However, let's look at the 1-hour chart to get a more granular understanding of the price fluctuations during this period. Here we see more short-term volatility. While the overall trend is up, there are instances of short-lived price corrections. These are periods of consolidation, providing potential entry points for buyers. We can identify potential support levels at around 385 and 390, while resistance levels were met around 395 to 400 based on the highs and lows of these hourly candles in recent days. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for even more detailed price action. Here, you can spot very short-term fluctuations. It is important to note that 15-minute chart analysis is extremely short-term and should only be used by seasoned professionals with a strong understanding of market dynamics. Looking at the volume on all three charts, we can see that trading activity is quite high, which may be influenced by increased investor interest following the recent record highs. However, there's always the risk of a pullback. The market could see a correction in the short term, potentially revisiting the 400 to 405 range from the recent daily highs. The likelihood of such a correction is moderate, perhaps 40%. If major tech companies release disappointing earnings reports, or if there is a broader market downturn, this pullback becomes more probable. Conversely, sustained positive news and further strength in the tech sector would strengthen the bullish trend. In the long term, many analysts remain bullish on QQQ, predicting further growth in the tech sector. The likelihood of this long-term bullish outlook is high, perhaps 70%, but it is always prudent to manage risk and be aware of the potential downside. Key levels to monitor include 405, short-term resistance, 395, short-term support, and the significant support at 385. A break below 385 would signal a more serious correction. Keep an eye on economic indicators such as job numbers and inflation, as these significantly impact the tech sector. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.